Yo guys, what's
Yo
up?
guys, what's
What's
up?
going
What's
on
going
today?
on? Today
I'm going
I'm
to
gonna
share a
share
method to
a
stop
method
Windows
to
automatically
stop Windows
relaunching application.
automatically re
Recently, I just got a comment. A person referring to a behavior where Windows automatically reopens application, therefore open before shutdown or restart. This feature is called Restore Preview Session, or Restart Application in Windows. And here in Windows, and here how you can turn it off. The first thing is click on the Windows icon, and then go into the settings. And if you are using Windows 10, the method is still same. Just maybe of course the interface will be changed a bit. But overall, setting is same. First you need to go into the settings, and then you need to find the accounts information, right? And then accounts. Now sign in information. Now scroll down a bit and you will find here the automatically save my restartable apps and restart them when I sign back in. So just turn this option off.